happy Friday. It is March the 2nd, 2018. Yay, I just figured out it's Friday. So today is without the rain. We would never feel thankful for the warmth of the sun. If you're going through a rough time right now, just know that the sun eventually comes out and you appreciate it that much more because of all the things that you went through. So it's a beautiful thing, all of it, and it's all needed. Otherwise, we wouldn't understand both sides of things and we wouldn't be able to relate to others. So it is all a beautiful gift.